Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I will teach you how to install Age of Empire 4 into your PC. Okay, first of all, I will tell you that you can get Age of Empire 4 in Steam. So to get this game, you need to have Steam. If you don't have it, just go to the Google, type this simple keyword in the search bar, download Steam, open the first result, and here is the button Install Steam. So you need to click it, download the Steam, install it, and sign up. Once you will do it, then you can open the Steam, go to the store, and here you need to type Age of Empire 4 and open the first result. Okay guys, you need to scroll a little bit down and here is the basic version of the game, which costs $14 at the moment. So you need to click the add to cart button right here. Then you need to click purchase for myself. Here you need to choose the payment provider. There are different options. Once you will do it, then click continue button and finalize the payment. After that, you can check the game into your library, go to the library, find the game in the list, and then you need to click the install button. So that's all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.